One key message that I have for everybody in the room and on the line, it's get ready. Get ready for what's on the horizon. Get ready to invest. The opportunity in metals and mining is fantastic, and in some ways that get ready message is perhaps even more so for my colleagues at RCF. The opportunity that we see on the horizon is truly incredible. There's an absolutely fantastic opportunity to invest in real assets at the moment. Quite simply, global economic growth is not real enough. We don't have enough mines, we don't have enough recycled material to fulfill demand at the moment. In many ways, perhaps this is my most important slide. In pictures, I'm presenting mining timeframes. It takes a long time to develop a mine. Really, what we're doing is we're filling the world's factory lines. Whether it's autos, whether it's batteries, whether it's durable goods. None of this happens without mining. Our sector is critical to global growth, and it needs to be more real than it currently is. Policymakers, from my perspective, are not pursuing the right investments to deal with the problem. A year ago, those in the room and those on the line will remember, I predicted that inflation would be sticky and persistent, and I think that's what we've seen around the world. I was stunned yesterday when Germany printed a PPI rate of 45% year-on-year inflationary growth. And look, if we look at CPI rates around the world, they're averaging 8 to 10, maybe 12%. The CPI and costs in Europe are worse, and we all know what's driving that. But what's interesting, everyone's familiar with the COVID lockdown story and how we abruptly halted the world economy. That increased demands for physical goods, and also abruptly halted supply in many instances. The monetary and fiscal stimulus that followed did not lead to any further mine supply coming through to the market, 2020, 2021. Curiously, the higher commodity prices that we saw in 2021, 2022, early part of this year, that also didn't lead to any further mine supply. Higher interest rates, something that we've seen accelerate this year, hasn't and is likely not to lead to further mine supply. Only supply side abundance leads to lower inflation. We need to get to a world where too many goods are chasing too few dollars. But globally, we remain in a world where there are too many dollars chasing too few goods, and that provides opportunity in our sector.